All right, lesson 6 is dealing with inequalities. So we're looking for these phrases: at least, at most, no less than, no more than. Now, pay attention to these are all going to be or problems, and we're using addition in some way. There'll still be some multiplication, but when we're talking about the inequality part, we're going to be adding. All right. So a kitchen drawer has 7 forks and 6 spoons. So these are the number of forks, number of spoons. You're going to reach in and grab 4. You're just randomly grabbing 4 by the handles. You don't know what they are. How many ways could you get 3 or more? So either 3 forks or 4 forks. All right. So first off, we have 7 forks. What are the chances of grabbing 3? So that's a combination, because order doesn't matter. If we grab 3 forks, so these are our forks, and we're grabbing 4 utensils, that means we're going to be grabbing 1 spoon. And there were 6 of them to choose from. This is a multiplication problem. But we could also have the possibility of getting all forks. So this here is 3 forks, and this here is 4 forks. Now, what we've been doing, I'll do this first one, but then after that, I don't think you need much on that. So we're going to do 7 math, PRB, NCR, 3 forks. And that gives us 35. And 6 combination, 1 spoon. So that's 35 and 6. So these two numbers here are 35 times 6. And then in the 7C4, 7, this is all forks, 35. So when we do those, 6 times 35 plus 35, we get 245. Now number 2, it says we have 7 forks and 6 spoons again, and you're going to grab 4 again. How many ways could you get at least 3? Well, these are the same thing. Just different ways of writing the same thing. So just learning the vocabulary. 3 or more is the same thing of at least 3. At least 3 means bare minimum 3, possibly 4. You're saying the exact same thing. All right. Number 3, 9 girls and 10 guys volunteer to operate the lights at the pep assembly, but the director only needs 8 students. If the director decides she wants at least 6 girls, how many different ways could this be done? All right. Well, there's 9 girls, and he wants at least 6. Well, if there's 6 girls, and he wants 8 people, that means 10 NCR 2. Or he could have 7 girls, which would leave 1 boy. Or it could be all 8 girls. So this is 6 girls, this is 7 girls, and this is all 8 girls. You want to, make note of that. You're going to find this number and this number and multiply them, this number and this number and multiply them, and then add all 3 together. And that gives you 4,149 different ways that could be done. All right, bookshelf has 10 algebra books and 12 finite. The teacher wants you to bring 8 books to the desk. At least 7 have to be finite. This time finite is the second number instead of the first one, so 12 finite books, at least 7. Well, if there's 7 finite books, that means there's going to be 1 of the 10 Algebra 2 books. But what if all of them were finite books? So again, you find this number and this number, multiply them, and then add this to it. And that gives you 8,415. I think you're pretty comfortable with entering these in by now. 7 seniors and 5 juniors are candidates for 3 scholarships from the University of Truancy. However, the school will give no more than 1 to a junior. Okay, again, juniors are our second one here. So no more than 1 means 1 only to a junior, which means the other 2 would go to seniors. So this right here is 1 junior. Or you could have 0 juniors, and that would be 7C3. So all seniors. When you calculate that out, you get 140. Last but not least, a bag holds 11 yummies and 8 gummies. You're picking 5 candies, but you must pick at least 4 gummies. So there's 8 gummies to choose from. What if you pick 4? Well, that leaves 1 candy left, which is a yummy. So again, this is 4 gummies. But what if they were all gummies? When you do that, you get 826. And that's it.